Nouns are name words. We use them to name persons, places, things, or abstract qualities. In English, there are different rules to form the plural of nouns. In today's lesson, we will learn how to form the plural of nouns ending in Y preceded by a vowel and nouns ending in Y preceded by a consonant. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Know Your English Grammar, where learning English becomes easy. If you have not as yet subscribed, please do so now as I continue to bring you insightful English grammar lessons to improve your knowledge of English. First, we will start with nouns ending in Y preceded by a vowel. The vowels of the English alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U. To form the plural of a noun ending in Y preceded by a vowel, the rule is to simply add S. Here are some examples. Play, plays. Attorney, attorneys. Alloy, alloys. Money, monies. Guy, guys. Mr. Casey, the cases. In this example, we have used all the vowels of the English alphabet except the letter I. Can you think of a noun ending in Y preceded by the vowel I? If so, please let me know in the comments section. We will now look at nouns ending with a Y preceded by a consonant. Consonants are all the other letters of the alphabet excluding the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. To form the plural of a noun ending in Y preceded by a consonant, the rule is to change the Y to I and add ES. Here are some examples. Country, countries. Baby, babies. Specialty, specialties. Company, companies. Accessory, accessories. Variety, varieties. There are two exceptions, however, to these rules: colloquy and soliloquy. These are nouns ending with Y preceded by a vowel U, but they form their plural by using the rule for nouns ending in Y preceded by a consonant. That is, to change the Y to I and add ES. So, for colloquy, we have colloquies, and for soliloquy, we have soliloquies. Let's just stray a little from the topic and give you the meaning of colloquy. Colloquy means to have a formal conversation or dialogue. That is, a dialogue at a high level. For example, dialogue held between an attorney and a judge in a courtroom. Here is a trivia question for you. Tell me the meaning of soliloquy and give me an example in a sentence. You may write it in the comments section. Well, that's it for this very short lesson. It was my pleasure bringing it to you. For more English grammar lessons, please subscribe to this channel and let me hear from you in the comments section. See you next time. Bye-bye.